Hello everyone, I'm Amanda from the Field Library and I'm here with a new origami craft. Today I'm going to show you how to make ninja stars or throwing stars. I used to make these growing up and they've always been a lot of fun. Now what you're going to need is 2 square-shaped pieces of paper. Make sure you have 2. And what we're going to do with those is that we're going to fold it in half. Like so. And then you're going to want to fold that piece in half again vertically so that you get 1 strip of paper, and you're going to want that for both pieces. Once you have that, they should look something like this. Now you're going to take these strips and you're going to fold them in half. Folding them in half will give you a nice guideline of the halfway point for the next step. So do that to both sides. Now take your left piece, open it up, and you're going to want to fold the top half in the left direction. And with your right piece, you're going to do the same thing. Take the top half, but you're going to fold it towards the right direction. So both pieces should look like this. Now you're going to take the bottom half and fold it facing the opposite way. Like so. Do so on the other side as well. And now your pieces should look like this. Now we're going to flip them. And on the other side, you can see that there's these square-shaped flaps on here. So we're going to want to fold this so that it makes a triangle. If you do it this way, this is incorrect. This is just a straight line, so make sure that it faces this way. And you're going to repeat that on the other square flap. So that it makes almost kind of like a Z shape. And you're going to do that on your second piece as well. So take this, fold it this way. Same thing over here. All right. Now you have both pieces like this. Now we're going to take the little triangle flaps and we're going to fold them inward. Smooth it out. So that you have this rhombus shape. Do the same thing on your second piece. And they should look like this. Now we're actually going to open them back up again. But you're going to take your right piece and you're going to flip it. So it looks like these 2 triangles facing different directions. And we're actually going to position the left one like this and the right one right on top of it. And we're going to take this flap and we're just going to tuck it into this one, like so. So take the top right flap and tuck it into the top left one. All right. And you're going to want to repeat the same thing on the bottom. So the bottom left will go into the bottom right flap. So it looks like this. And you're going to flip it. You're going to take this top one and tuck it into the bottom one. So open this up and tuck it in. So it looks like this. repeat the same thing over here. So take this bottom flap and tuck it into this top piece. So open that up and tuck it in. Flatten it. And now you have your throwing star. So go ahead and give it a toss, see how far you can throw it. But just remember to be careful playing with these. You don't want to give anyone a paper cut. I hope you had fun, and I hope you try it out.